Hello, and welcome back to Daily Space Facts, January 15th, 2025. A Falcon 9 thunders into the Florida sky. On board, a sleek, car-sized spacecraft named Blue Ghost. Its mission? To do what only government space agencies had done before. Land softly on the moon, and become the first commercial company in history to do it perfectly. This is the story of Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost Mission 1, codenamed Ghost Riders in the Sky. The mission that proved private industry is ready to ride alongside NASA on the road back to the moon. Built by Firefly Aerospace near Austin, Texas, Blue Ghost was part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services, or CLPS, program. The goal? Let private companies deliver science and technology to the moon faster and cheaper, paving the way for sustained human presence under the Artemis campaign. Blue Ghost carried 10 NASA payloads, a record for a single CLPS mission, totaling about 94 kilograms of cutting-edge instruments. Its destination? The ancient lava plains of Mare Crisium, near the volcanic feature Mons Latreille, on the moon's near side. This wasn't a quick sprint. Blue Ghost took a deliberate 45-day journey, spiraling out from Earth orbit, performing health checks, calibrating systems, and even starting some science operations along the way. After separation from the Falcon 9, Blue Ghost settled into a highly elliptical Earth orbit for nearly a month. This slow, energy-efficient path gave the team time to thoroughly test every subsystem. Then came the burn that sent it coasting toward the moon. Once in lunar orbit, the lander spent 16 days circling our celestial neighbor, capturing stunning images and preparing for the most dangerous phase, powered descent. On March 2, 2025, at 2:34 a.m. Central Time, Blue Ghost began its final approach. Thrusters fired with precision. The lander slowed from orbital velocity, descending through the lunar vacuum, until its legs kissed the regolith of Mare Crisium at exactly the right spot. Now, the real science began. For over 14 Earth days, one full lunar daylight period, Blue Ghost powered its 10 NASA instruments with solar arrays. It carried tools to study lunar dust, heat flow from the moon's interior, regolith sampling, radiation effects, and even how to use Earth's GPS signals, all the way from the moon. Highlights included the Lunar Planet Vac, which used puffs of gas to vacuum up and sort lunar soil, the Electrodynamic Dust Shield, testing electric fields to repel the abrasive moon dust that plagues future astronauts, Lister, drilling into the surface to measure subsurface heat, the Lunar GNSS Receiver Experiment, Lou Gray, successfully tracking navigation signals from Earth satellites, a first for lunar operations, and the next-generation lunar retroreflector, now bouncing laser beams back to Earth for ultra-precise distance measurements. All 10 payloads activated, collected data, and met, or exceeded, their objectives. Blue Ghost even captured breathtaking footage of a total solar eclipse from the lunar surface, and continued operating more than 5 hours into the freezing lunar night. In total, it sent home 119 gigabytes of data, including 51 gigabytes of pure science, before the sun set, and the mission drew to its planned close on March 16, 2025. Blue Ghost didn't just land. It proved that commercial lunar exploration is not only possible, it's reliable. Firefly became the first private company to complete every mission objective on its very first attempt. This success opens the door for more frequent, affordable trips to the moon. Firefly already has follow-on missions planned, including flights to the lunar far side. Every byte of data collected helps NASA and humanity prepare for permanent bases, resource utilization, and eventually, sending humans back to stay. The Ghost Riders have shown us the way, from a Texas clean room to the surface of another world. Blue Ghost Mission 1 wrote a new chapter in space exploration. The moon is calling, and private companies like Firefly are answering. What do you think? Will we see humans walking beside Blue Ghost landers in the next decade? Let us know in the comments. If you love this journey, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic space stories. Until next time, keep looking up.